Welcome. This presentation will go through best practices and maintenance tips for the Velocity Cartridge. Our urinal cartridge technology is a result of our advanced research and development. Since 2000, it has evolved to a design that helps ensure top quality performance that is both easy to maintain and helps keep your restroom odor-free. Let's talk more about how the Velocity Cartridge uses industry-leading technology. Starting with our patent-pending anti-splash pour spout. The pour spout utilizes speed and directional flow to streamline urine through the housing and your building's pipes, helping ensure cleaner pipes and a cleaner housing. The diverter shield at the center of the cartridge reduces splashing while simultaneously helping to prevent debris from entering the cartridge. Our blue indicator ring under the rim of the diverter shield provides you with a visual signal that helps tell when the cartridge is ready to be changed. As the cartridge reaches the end of its lifespan, liquid levels will rise, making it difficult to see the blue indicator. End user experience is important to us. Therefore, reducing exposed surface area on the underside of the cartridge eliminates space for bacteria to grow and keeps your restroom odor-free. The Velocity Cartridge uses 20% less material than our previous models, making it even more environmentally friendly. Replacing your cartridge on time will ensure the product functions as expected. It is vital to change it out once it has reached the end of its useful life. Let's talk about the maintenance schedule. We recommend sticking to a regular change-out schedule, and an easy way to determine your schedule is to write the date on the side of the cartridge using a black marker before installing. On average, a cartridge typically lasts 2 to 4 months. This will vary on male population and traffic patterns of your facility. Higher traffic would require frequent change-outs and should be scheduled accordingly. Look for the following to determine end of lifespan: slow draining, pooling, difficulty seeing the blue ring on the top of the cartridge. Once the cartridge is out, take note of the install date as previously marked. That is your schedule. Another best practice is always have an available cartridge supply. Order based on your determined cartridge schedule and get ahead of your user complaints. And remember, confirm with your supplier that you are purchasing the Velocity model. Having a trained, dedicated team member to change out your cartridges and follow best practices will ensure a better and more consistent outcome. If you or your team members need training, please contact us at info@falconwaterfree.com and we'll be happy to arrange an on-site training. Let's go over our water-free best practices. Before inserting a new cartridge, scrub the housing and inside the tailpipe. After that, flush the housing with 3 to 5 gallons of hot soapy water, and finally wipe clean inner stainless steel rim. After inserting the Velocity cartridge, slowly fill the cartridge with 1 quart or more of clean water until there are no air bubbles. After this, add the blue sealant and allow it to drain into the cartridge. Finally, you can spray the bowl with a cleaner and wipe clean. Now, let's go over our hybrid best practices. The hybrid urinal should be manually activated each time the cartridge is changed to confirm operation and determine battery level. After doing this, wipe clean the inner stainless steel rim and move on to inserting the cartridge. After inserting the Velocity cartridge, slowly fill the cartridge with 1 quart or more of clean water until there are no air bubbles. After this, add the blue sealant and allow it to drain into the cartridge. Finally, you can spray the bowl with a cleaner and wipe clean. If you have any additional questions, please email us at info@falconwaterfree.com and we'll be happy to assist you.